Hi all, dear students. Nature's Plenty is our first unit. Am I right? Yes. The entry activity of this unit is an imaginary nature walk. Why can't we go for a nature walk? I'm sure all of you are ready. Am I right? Yes. But one thing, before starting our journey, will you please close your eyes? Now, you please breathe in. Okay, relax. Again, breathe in. Yes, relax. Once again, please breathe in. Relax. Okay, my dear children, our vehicle is parking in front of our school gate. Let's move. Yes, get in one by one. Okay, now please take your seats. Dears, keep silence while joining the nature walk, right? Otherwise, we couldn't enjoy the journey. Okay? Yes. Ooh, now we have reached our destination. See the magic of nature, the mountain ranges, the vast variety of trees, big and small. Listen. Yes, listen the rustling of the leaves. Can't you hear it? See this? The green grass, bushes, the dry leaves. Hi, look at the color world. The color world created by the flowers. Yellow, red, blue, white. Ooh, fantastic. See? Are the flowers flying? Oh no. They are butterflies. Yes, the beauty queens. Wow. Feel the fragrance of flowers. Children, can you hear anything? Yes. What's it? Come on. Yeah, chirping of birds, right? Yes, they're there, no? The cute members of the forest. They're enjoying this day, right? Listen them. Okay. Could you feel the cool breeze? Wow. Really, it's amazing. Oh, look at a marvelous silver rain. Yes, the waterfall. It gives cool. Listen it. Water comes down. Ooh, it forms a stream. Yes, the babbling, the real music of nature. Children, yes, you touch the water and feel the coolness. Hey children, all of you come here. Look at someone is looking at us curiously with its kids, no? Who are they? Yes, monkeys. Listen the chatter. Somebody is singing a song. Can't you hear that? Yes. It is the music of bees, no? Yes, the bus. Children, come here. Touch these leaves. Feel the tenderness, how soft it is. Am I right? Stop a while. Now Can you hear anything? No. It's the real silence of nature. Come with me. Did you hear the sound? Yes, it's the trumpeting of an elephant. My dear children, it's not good to move forward. Let's go back. We can come here on another occasion with a forest guard. Get into the bus. Okay, my dear children, get down from the bus. Yes, now step into your classroom. Now please open your eyes slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, my dear children, during our imaginary nature walk, we have experienced a lot of things. Am I right? We could see, hear and sense a lot. Now, list out that all and prepare a very good description about your nature walk and send it to your teacher. Okay? Thank you very much.